We are very glad to see you in our final gala show, but at the same time, it is very sad that today is the last day of our camp and we have to say goodbye. First of all, let's give the floor to our dear coordinator, Vyacheslav Dmitrievich Vaiko.
So, is it good morning or good afternoon?
Good afternoon.
So, dear campers, dear staff, dear director of the camp, dear international instructors here, Elizabeth, and dear guests, Galia is our guest tonight. Wonderful. So, and Munawara Abdulhakana is here. Please come to the front. So, we have made this wonderful camp jointly with your effort. What was new? What was new during this camp? So, very many new things. But first of all, let's draw a little portrait of our camp. So, 1, 2 words about our camp. Please, let's start.
The best.
The best, okay?
Funny. Funny.
Funny. Interesting. I did not expect funny. Yes.
Amusing.
Amusing.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Interesting. Educational.
Educational. Energetic. Optimistic. And so positive, very positive. Очень positivity. Yes. Good. Thank you. We're having a very nice picture of our camp and something new during this summer camp. Of course, we provided a good environment. We invited international instructors, and this year, again, Elizabeth Hughes, our instructor from the United States of America, and Jeremy Savage participated most actively. And one more person came. Do you remember the name? Akiva Weiss, yes. He sent hello to all of us here for the farewell party. Also, something new was in the area of the field trips. What was it?
Yes.
Yes, a guided tour of the historic center of Ufa. Good. And that was in the English language. So our purpose was to set up the English-speaking environment. And this was a sort of three-dimensional thing. We organized sessions for you in the English language. We organized topical days with help from Bayras and his wonderful team. And we organized field trips. And there were some new models, like English through guitar, which was introduced and contributed most actively by our new instructor, Zuhra. Zuhra, are you here? Yes, she's there, right. That says it all, Zuhra. And we also celebrated the Sovietsky district this year, and there were very many other things. So, thank you very much for making this an amazing and outstanding camp. And now I give the floor to the campers, led by
Thank you so much for your kind words, Vyacheslav Dmitrievich. Now, let's give the floor to our amazing Team 1 and the counselor Bayras Mustatin.
Do you recall not long ago when you walked on the sidewalk? And still remember all we did was care for each other. The night was warm, we were bold and young. All around the wind blows.
show. Now let's welcome my team, team number 2. So guys. Okay, so our camp was really awesome. We had so much fun. We'd really love to say thank you to all our instructors, counselors, and camp administration. So here they are. Our camp director, Zakirova Jan Diasimov. Головинский Андрей Анатольевич. And our international instructor, Elizabeth Cruz. And of course our counselors, by me. I guess now we can welcome our team number 2, and they want to greet World Cup 2018. Let's go with that. There are so many talented guys in Team 1, and one of our best stars of our camp, Guzelma Salima, would like to dance ballet for you.
I need another story, something to get off my chest. My life is kind of boring, it's something that I can't confess. Till on my sleeves I stay red, from all the truth that I've said. Can buy it honestly, I swear. Found you something weak now, I've been on the brink, so tell me what you want to hear.
parts of today's gala show. Now let's give the floor to Vyacheslav Dmitrievich and Elizabeth. Could you please help us with giving out the certificates?
Right. So, we are happy and proud being able to give these beautiful certificates. Elizabeth, please come to the rostrum.
This is an international certificate because this is an international camp. And so I'm very happy that Elizabeth Hughes from the United States of America will be giving away these nice certificates. I'm sure you will love all these wording here. I don't want to spend too much time reading all of the text, but you can see it's beautiful. Camera. So, and the first certificate goes to Yulia Manovai Guzel Gaisarovne. Congratulations to them. Congratulations. Camera. Smile. Wonderful. And we have a chocolate for you, one for the road, as we say in Russia. Good. So the next goes to Khalilova Yulia Aydarovna. Congratulations, Yulia. Great job. Thank you so much. Very active. Camera. Cheese. Great. Likareva Adel Rasovna. Congratulations, Adel. You've done exceptionally well. Come here. The certificate. And the chocolate. Please remember to go to your senior counselor by us, Mustafina Sumbul Aydarovna. Congratulations, Sumbul. She was always the first to come to the camp. Congratulations, Sumbul. Camera. Chocolate. Shamas Salimova Guzel Nailevna. Oh, she's there. Always on stage. Right. Congratulations. Camera. Yes. And the chocolate for you on the way to your stage. Mamyetova Amina Irikovna. Congratulations, Amina. Always very active. Thank you. Camera. Cheese. Good. Akmagulova Aisha Anvarovna. Congratulations, Aisha. She's always interested in the international program. She asked me so many questions. What are the opportunities which South Dmitrievich? A great many. Camera. Cheers. Thank you. Kuserbayev Bulat Marcelevich. The great guitar fan. Congratulations. Well done. Camera. Cheers. Great. Thank you. Sharipova Idel Ratisevich. Sharipov Idel Ratisevich, sorry. Wonderful. Beautiful name. Very unusual. Cheers. Thank you. Harisa Vadel Rinatovich. Every day he came all the way from Blagoveshchensk. Congratulations, Adel. Thank you for staying with the camera. Thank you. Tuhbetov Rustem Aydarovich. Where are you, Rustem? Oh, he's over on stage. Very artistic. Congratulations. Izardulin Ayrat Rustamovich. Oh, always very active. Congratulations. Great job. Thank you so much. So, camera. Cheese. Boy. Yazykov Dmitry Vyacheslamovich. Always in the camp from early in the morning all the way from Blagoveshchensk. Congratulations. Your parents should be proud of you, Dmitry. Great effort. Camera. Okay. So, the chocolate cream and the chocolate to sweeten the journey.
There will be more along the way.
Alright, thank you so much, Elizabeth and Vyacheslav Dmitrievich. So, during our camp, kids had different sessions like arts and crafts, English through internet, English through sports, and one of our most favorite modules of our students is English through drama. The module is always fun and interesting, and children love it also because of the instructor. Мурата Багазыркамитова. Now, let's welcome team number 2 and their performance, Snow White.
Once upon a time, there were two children. One day, little daughter was born to her. She was named Snow White. The princess had skin as white as snow, lips as white as the rose, and hair as black as ebony. Soon, the good queen died, but the king married again. The new queen was very beautiful, but cruel and selfish. She spent a lot of time looking in her magic mirror. The queen was very pleased to hear that. She knew that the magic mirror always spoke only the truth. But Snow White grew up and she became very pretty. So one day,
Magic mirror in my hand, the clearest in the land. You who hold me in your hand, you are the fairest in the land. But today I tell you true, Snow White is more fair than you. What? Huntsman, come here. Let me never see this girl. Take her to the forest, kill her, and bring her her heart. Yes, Your Majesty. Here is a bag of gold for your work.
Don't kill me. I'll have fun in the forest and never come home. I promise. Well, run away then, child. I will not hurt you. I cannot do such an awful thing. I will treat them queen. I'll give her the house of some wild animal that I will kill.
and he did this.
Oh, I'm going inside. How small it is! How neat and clean! I'm so sleepy.
Who has been eating of my plate? Who has been eating my porridge? Who has been eating my bread? Who has been using my fork? Who has been cutting with my knife? And who has been drinking out of my cup? Who has been lying on my bed?
Someone has been lying on my bed.
What?
Who she is?
Don't be afraid.
We won't hurt you. Believe us.
Why you friends? Dear girl, what is your name? Why have you come to our house?
I'm a princess. My name is Snow White. My mother died when I was a child, and my stepmother wanted to kill me. I can't go home. May I stay with you, dear friends?
Certainly you may, and we'll take care of you. You'll become our sister.
If you stay with us, do you look after us? Pulling make the bed, washing it everything in, and while we work. With great pleasure.
And the Snow White stayed with the 7 little dwarfs and kept their house tidy. A room in the palace.
Magic mirror in my hand, the fairest in the land. You who hold me in your hand, you are the fairest in the land. But today I tell you true, Snow White is more fair than you. Among the forest dark green, she lives with vast the hills between.
The queen was astonished.
oldu. Gayet büyük. I'm the prince, and my castle not far from here. May I have to look at the king's daughter?
Yes, you may. How happy we are!
I love Snow White, and I take you to my palace.
We are happy to hear that. Our campus enjoyed one more module as well, which is English through dancing. And the instructor, Vadim Khalipov, now he and team number 1 would like to present their performance myth about Araka. Welcome. So, you guys all know Vadim, right?
Yes.
He's been working here for like 3 or 4 years. every year he has a lot of new performances, and now this year he is going to show his performances about Greek culture and Greek gods. So his dancing sessions were really interesting, and campers really enjoyed his module and were very active. Also, Vadim helped us with our team concerts, and now he's going to present his own one more time, myth about Arachna. Team 1 and Vadim Khalid.
The Greek mythology brings with shapeshifters. The powerful gods usually change their own form at will, but for mortals, the mutation were often unwanted. One such unerring transformation before that was Spinner Arachne.
Arachne was the daughter of a tradesman who spent his days dyeing cloth the deepest shades of purple. She had a flair for spinning the finest threads, weaving them into flowing fabric and creating magnificent tapestries. Flying across her loom, as if thread sprung directly from her fingertips. But as praise for her work grew, so did her pride. Arachne could often be heard boasting about her skills, declaring that her talent surpassed anyone else's, mortal or divine. She refused to see weaving as a gift from the gods. Rather, she flaunted it as her own personal genius. Unfortunately, the goddess of wisdom and crafts, Athena, overheard Arachne making these claims. Planning to teach the ungrateful girl a lesson, Athena disguised herself as an old woman and stole amongst the mortals. She berated Arachne in public. How dare the weaver claim herself greater than the gods? But Arachne only laughed, barely looking up from her loom. Provoked, the old woman threw off her cloak to reveal her true form. If Arachne insisted on defaming the gods, Athena would challenge her to a contest directly. Masking her shock at the appearance of the gray-eyed goddess, Arachne accepted the challenge. Athena drew up her own glittering loom as a great crowd gathered to watch. The weavers began, eyes fixed and shells blurring. Athena conjured wisps of cloud from above and slender threads of grass from below in a spectacle of strength. She wove tremendous scenes that showed the power of the gods. Poseidon riding the waves, Zeus firing thunderbolts, and Apollo hurtling across the sky. In Athena's splendid tapestry, the glory of the gods dwarfed mortal life. But Arachne had no interest in boosting godly egos. Her tapestry showed the gods abusing their power, squabbling amongst themselves, drinking and bragging, and meddling in the lives of mortals. Even though she cast the gods in the most unflattering light, Arachne's work shone with her dazzling skill. Her tapestry was almost alive, filled with movement and lustrous colors that winked triumphantly. When Athena saw Arachne's undeniably better and flagrantly subversive work, she flew into a rage and turned on the human. Arachne's glee dimmed as she felt her body shrinking and contorting. Her fingers waved wildly as her arms stuck to her sides, and black hair sprouted all over her body. The goddess left Arachne with a single spool of thread unfurling from her belly, a slim reminder of her human talent. For challenging the assumption that the gods were untouchable, Athena had shrunk her adversary into the first spider. To this day, Arachne and her children spin out her penance. Or is it undaunted persistence in the shadows of giants?
Wow, Vadim, it was amazing. Okay, so as you can see, Vadim really likes art. He likes drawing because he is from Department of Graphical Arts of Bashkir State Pedagogical University. And today we have our 3 helpers from that university, which are Vladislav Ivanov. Yes. Vladislav Islamov. And Moskva Olga. Our camp. We are so thankful. Thank you. And now, let's welcome team number 2 and their myth about Orpheus and Eurydice. Welcome.
It was the perfect wedding, the guests thought. The groom was Orpheus, the greatest of all poets and musicians. The bride, Eurydice, a wood nymph. Anyone could tell the couple was truly and deeply in love. Suddenly, Eurydice stumbled, then fell to the ground. By the time Orpheus reached her side, she was dead, and the snake that had bitten her was slithering away through the grass. Following Eurydice's funeral, Orpheus was overcome with a grief the human world could not contain. And so he decided he would journey to the land of the dead, a place from which no living creature had ever returned, to rescue his beloved. Entered the palace of Hades and Persephone, the king and queen of the dead, he began to sing. He sang of his love for Eurydice and said she had been taken away too soon. The day would come when she, like all living creatures, dwelled in the land of the dead for all eternity. So couldn't Hades grant her just a few more years on earth? In the moment after Orpheus finished, all hell stood still. Hades and Persephone granted Orpheus's plea, but on one condition. As he climbed back out of the underworld, he must not turn around to see if Eurydice was following behind him. If he did, she would return to the land of the dead forever. Orpheus began to climb. With each step, he worried more and more about whether Eurydice was behind him. He heard nothing. Where were her footsteps? Finally, just before he stepped out of the underworld and into the bright light of day, he gave in to temptation. Orpheus tried to return to the underworld, but was refused entry. Separated from Eurydice, Orpheus swore never to love another woman again. Instead, he sat in a grove of trees and sang songs of lovers. The world had lost two great souls. Orpheus and Eurydice had loved each other so deeply that when they were separated, Orpheus had understood the pain and joys of lovers everywhere, and a new art form, the love poem, was born. While the world wept, Orpheus found peace and his other half in the underworld. There, to this day, he walks with Eurydice along the banks of the river Styx. Sometimes they stroll side by side, sometimes she is in front, and sometimes he takes the lead, turning to look back at her as often as he likes.
Thank you, Team 2. It was breathtaking. Now, I think we can give the floor to Team number 1. Let's enjoy their drama, the Bremen musicians. Welcome.
Many years ago, there lived a neighbor. He had a donkey. It was nice, clever, and strong. The donkey worked on the mirror for many years. It carried bags with flour. But he became old and the miller pushed him out.
Go away, don't come back, you are old and stupid, you can't help me anymore, go away.
Oh, what shall I do? I'm old and weak. Where shall I go? Oh. I can go to the Bremen town, and there I will become a town musician. Why are you breathing so sad? What happened to you? Oh, donkey, I'm so tired because I was running very hard. Why are you running? You see, donkey, I went to the house for many years. I ran in the fields and forests and helped you. But now I grew old, and my master wants to kill me. Oh, poor me, I ran away and don't know what to do. Don't worry, come with me. I go to Bremen town, and there I will be musician sound. I will play the guitar, you play drums. Oh, great, let's go! We're going to Bremen town. Your voice is nice, you will sing and play the violin. I play the guitar, I will play the drums.
Oh, great! Thank you, my friends. I will go with you.
So good.
The soup will be so tasty.
What's happened to you? Come with us. We're going to Permanent Town. I will play the drums.
I will sing and play the violin.
I play the guitar.
Your voice is nice. You will sing and play the right.
Okay, friends. I'll be happy to go with you.
And so we went together.
Hello, friends. I'm going to Bremen Town. I want to organize a group. I have instruments, but no musicians. We can help you.
We are going to Bremen Town too.
We want to be musicians too.
But we have no instruments. Take them if you like and let's go together.
So we went. Soon the night came and it got dark.
Your money or your life. Yeah, keep your hands, keep your life. Money or your life.
Oh, guys, good news!
What?
Tomorrow the king will go through the forest, and you know that he has very much money.
Oh, great. We like money.
So, look here. Tomorrow we will catch the king and take all his money. We'll be very rich, very rich.
But don't you know that the king has a lot of cars?
Don't be stupid. We are not afraid of them. Our attack will be a surprise.
For your life. Yeah, keep your hands. Give it up.
In the morning, our friends got up.
Well, friends, did you hear what the robber said?
Yes, they spoke about the king.
Have you seen the daughter, his princess? No, but I heard that she's very beautiful. If only I could marry her. Let's help our friends!
Oh, you saved me. I will make a new wish.
Oh, I love the princess. If only I could marry her.
You saved my life. Yes, I will make you. I promise.
Bravo, team one, it was amazing. Let's applaud. And now, let's continue our ceremony. Vyacheslav Mikhailovich, Elizabeth, could you help us with our certificates?
They're coming anytime soon. Yeah, the certificates are here. Right. So, the next certificate goes to Abdul Yamin Buladovich. Yamila. Yeah, camera. Emilia Vanilievna. Congratulations, Emilia. Well done, camera. Great, thank you. Нафикова Гузель Азатовна. Congratulations, great job. Camera. Нафикова Алия Азатовна. Take your chocolates for the road. Ah, great, congratulations. Латыпова Диана Инвировна. Always active, always on stage. Congratulations. Camera. Шароналова Наркес Ришатовна. Yes, please. Good job. Camera. Well done. Zafarova Rushan Timurovna. Great job. Keep up the good spirits. Газизова Дания Альбертовна. So we lost. Okay, we'll keep that. Yes. Abdulwaliyev Salavat Haydarovich. Full of life and drive, Dr. Vibe. Congratulations, Dr. Vibe. Tarasov Vladislav Alexandrovich. Always acting. You will be a great actor. Great job. Congratulations. And camera. Jeez. Artur Ningev Danil Ruslanovich. Come down, Danil Ruslanovich. Good boy. Congratulations. Get your certificate. Keep it. Always at hand. Thank you. The chocolate, please, please. And Gataulina Gulia Gayazovna. Always on stage too. Congratulations. American Bastion into college. Cheers. Great. The chocolate. And over to.
Thank you, Vyacheslav Dmitryevich and Elizabeth. Now, we would like to welcome Aliya Nafikova. She's one of our most active campers and she's going to tell the poem. So let's welcome her.
Милтотлайн Александр Сергеевич Пушкин, авыл. Милтотлайн кине бушлык булган урын. Тезме өчен хезмәт һәм дә илһамдардым. Бында көнем күренмәгән юлга булып, алга бәхет, шатлыктарга юлдар халды. Мин һинеке, мин алмаштым патшаларды. Бодо карай, бай мәҗлесен, адашуын, урмандарга тынлыгына яландырдым. Иркенлеккә, ян тупыма азатлыктым. Мин һинеке, хыямы баксаны. Был болында хуш ит аңгар эскертләрен, куаклыкта саф юлга акканым.
Thank you, Aliya. And now I salute from team 2. She's our Snow White going to dance for you. So let's welcome her. Matulinas, who will sing a song for us.
Unbelievable. We have so many certificates to give away, Elizabeth. Right. These are special certificates. These are letters of appreciation. So, Elizabeth, this goes to you. Just a moment. We have something here. So, Elizabeth has worked for 2 camps, one commercial camp and one humanitarian, and she has made herself available for both. Elizabeth, thank you very much indeed for joining us at both camps, and in appreciation of your great work, here is a box of chocolates, special chocolates. Words of farewell.
Farewell. It was such a joy to be here with you guys this camp. I wish I could have been here more days, but you all are a special group of people, and it was a joy to play with you. So have a great summer.
Elizabeth. For 15 years now, we have worked with the queen of the camps, Diana Diasovna Zakirova. Thank you very much for joining us. Unbelievable! 15 years ago we started, Diana Diasovna. So, to sweeten the occasion, we're giving you this nice box. I want to show this to everyone. Appreciations of our queen, Diana Diasovna. And the certificates. Let me help you with the package. Cheese. Great. One more time. So, our certificates go to instructors. Please. Words of farewell.
Thank you guys, you were good company. It was nice to work with you, to live with you. Unfortunately, we finished a little bit earlier, but I hope we see each other next year. Maybe during the year. Yeah, farewell.
So, for this wonderful dancing. Thank you. Words of farewell?
Oh, yes.
Oh, but you forgot the words of farewell.
I was very happy to have this experience to teach guitar playing in English. It was my first experience, and I was very happy that you understand me, all of the students, and help me sometimes, and I help you sometimes, yes. And I wish you have a very good summer, and playing guitar, please. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that. Muratova Güzel Hamitovna, our all-time instructor. Congratulations, Güzel Hamitovna. Thank you for your excellent drama module. Words of farewell.
Now, dear guys, I enjoyed these plays very much. You know, it was nice. It was so awesome. It was hilarious, I hope, right? Now, thank you. And, you know, we'll be waiting for the next term to do more fun, right? See you next year.
Great job, thank you, Güzel Hamitovna. Special thanks go to Mustafin Bayra Saydarovic. Congratulations for your great job. So, words of farewell.
I don't think that I've been senior counselor before. I think all the time that I was here, the first 2 years, Galia was the senior counselor, so it's much more responsibility now, but I hope that I was capable to deal with it, so to say. I'm really glad that all you came to the summer camp this year, and I want to thank all of you, Elina, Zuhra, our helpers from the Bashkir Said Pedagogical University, yeah, and of course Diana Diasovna, Güzel Hamitovna, Vadim, and all the others. So it was great to meet you again, Elizabeth, Andrei Anatolievich, I won't forget you, yes, of course. It's sad that Jeremy is not here today, but I think we said our farewells yesterday, so it was good. So So I really hope that you've learned something, that you've experienced a great summer, even though the weather wasn't that good in the beginning, but I think it's making us happy now. So thanks.
But the spirit was always high. Thank you. Thank you. Baras Elina Ivatulina. Thank you very much for your great counseling, for your making a wonderful party for Bayras and the rest of the team. So, words from you on this occasion.
Thank you so much. It was really awesome to work with you guys. It was really great to meet all of you guys, campers. You are so talented. It's such a big honor for me to know you. I know that you will be such a huge, talented people in future, and I'm so glad and happy to know you. And it was really awesome to meet all of you guys, to work with this stuff. Thank you, and see you next year. Yeah.
You will not get rid of us easily, Elina and Baras, so next year you will be with us, I'm sure. Now our young instructors, Mulabayeva Guzel, come on down, Muratova Alina, Kalimulin Iskander, and Nasirov Irham. Young blood of the English camp. So, introduce yourself.
I'm Guzel.
Guzel, and so, Guzel, how do you feel today?
I love this camp very much, and thanks for all.
Congratulations. National letter of appreciations. So, the next, introduce yourself.
I'm Alina, and I'm very happy to be here. It is very interesting and wonderful place where we can teach someone very new and very useful.
And Alina has this word here, key phrase, trust me, she says. Right. Congratulations. Everybody knows Irfan, of course. He is always to come to the camp, so Irfan, words of farewell.
My name is Irfan. Thanks for your teaching active. I was.
Iskander Kalimulin. Congratulations, Iskander. Words of farewell.
Hello, guys. I love you very much, and I see you in next year, and I think you are very, very crazy, guys.
So, all of them together, right? Now, we'll show you a screen. And we have young colleagues here from Pedagogical University, Department of Graphic Arts. Vladislav, you're turning around, but I expect you actually. Vladislav, stand up. Olga, also. You have made very good contributions to our camp, so we all say thank you to them, right? Yes, Nosova Olga. Yes, Diana Diasna, of course. Please, words of farewell from Diana Diasna.
I should say that everything is well that ends well. Finally, we have come to the conclusion, yes. And I would like also to say thank you to all the staff of the camps for your enthusiasm and great work. And of course, I would like to say thank you to my helpers, counselors Bayras and Elina. I hope that you were real leaders, yes, and models for your teams. And of course, I would like to say thank you to our assistant councils for their great job. And of course, I am very proud to be the part of our creative instructors. Thank you, Andrei Anatolievich. I will miss our discussions during breakfast and lunches. And thank you to Elizabeth, yes. Thank you to everyone, Vadim. Thank you to Alina Alsutimirianovna. And of course, I would like to say thank you personally to Vyacheslav Shvaiko, the great energizer of the Access program in Ufa and the summer camp as well. The summer camp is over, but you are having long holidays, yes, that's why enjoy them. The weather has become brighter, yes, I think. And really, this summer camp was a real kaleidoscope of events, yes, different events with lots of guests, special guests from America, yes, Moscow and from Slovak. That's why I think you enjoyed it to the full. Have a good holidays. Enjoy your holidays. And don't forget to study. Thank you.
Please continue in the same spirit, as we say. Yes, so at this point we're saying it has been a great investment of energy, of time, of efforts. If we think how many people came to contribute, it's just amazing to these 12 days only, right? So, and of course, special thanks go to Natalia Nikolaevna Razanova. She said hello. I hope this is somebody from administration. No, ясно. У нас здесь присутствуют родители. Возможно, хоть кто-то хочет что-то сказать. Дети, наверное, рассказывали вам дома, как шел лагерь. Пожалуйста, у вас есть редкая возможность поприветствовать наш лагерь на русском языке. Не стесняемся. Неожиданно, да. Галия, right, Галия. So,
Галия!
Hello guys. Oh, hi Azalea. Guys, I couldn't miss this day today. That's why I came. So because it's very big day in my opinion. You're ending your summer camp, but not ending your studying English classes. I just want to say that this camp has very good impact on your life, on your English. So that's why please keep learning English. As Jan Justin said, you will have very long holidays. You can have fun outside, and you can have fun with English too by watching videos, listening to English songs, and so on and so on. So I can say that this Access program is kind of trampoline, so it helps you to grow in the future. And thanks to the certificates of appreciation from summer camp, you can have very high position. I don't know what you want to be in the future. You want to be teachers, you want to be doctors or someone, but English language will help you to improve your profession. Because without English, you are blind and deaf. So please guys, be happy, learn English, and I love you so much, and I miss you very, very much.
We wish you all the best in your graduation. Galia will be defending her thesis very soon, so the going is good. We're sure that she will do everything with flying colors, right? And Azalia! Yes, please, Azalia. You're just from the United States. We're hearing you.
So I was raised in this camp, guys. You guys are future winners. I just wanna say a great thank you for you guys, for my amazing teachers. I just came from America, and Galia was in America too. We're from here, we're students. So you have all the opportunities appreciated, because that certificate that I get here, it was one of those things that really helped me to get that opportunity to go to America. For no money, guys. There is a lot to do, and you can do that. So thank you. You are so talented and so cool. Just keep going.
Thank you, Daria. We're very glad you have this opportunity. Actually, actually, there are very many opportunities for you ahead of you. So many exchange programs, visits to international conferences, your grad program, visits to the English language office, Embassy of the United States of America in Moscow, Consulate General in Yekaterinburg, and so many others.
I think I can introduce you.
Yes.
So you got this year marked as new morning session came to our summer camp. Zuhra Siddiqova made up a new morning session, and guys really enjoyed it, and even more students went to guitar than movie club. And now Zuhra is going to present her song with children, so let's welcome her.
Shout.
We want to introduce a song that our wish to future people, to future